This is the brand new Gripedge RPT Ball Hex set. Let's dive into it. It comes in both SAE and metric. So where does this RPT Ball Hex set come in handy? So on this motorized bike, we have a fastener here. We cannot access it with our 1/4 inch hex set. So that's why we're gonna need our RPT Ball Hex. These provide up to 50% more torque on brand new hex fasteners for standard ball hex tools. And this is gonna be a size 5mm. So with the RPT Ball Hex, you're gonna have 22.5 degrees of angle that you can move it around. So you can go here, out here, down, or up, depending on what tight axis area you need to get. We also have a round bar compared to a hex bar. Let's say you're loosening it up and you're running against something. This is gonna be a smoother operation compared to the hex bar that is just gonna be jumping up and down. So now we can loosen up this fastener with the rounding prevention technology that prevents damage from happening. Once we get it loosened up enough, so you can see the precision machining on the RPT Ball Hex. That's going to give us the greater degree of angle, the 22.5 degrees. When you put it into the hex fastener, it's going to be able to go freely. We also have it flat at the end. So once you're done with your service, you can use the RPT Ball Hex. And with the smooth bar, it's a smooth operation just to tighten it back down. So now you can tighten it back down, and with the rounding prevention technology, it's going to prevent this hex fastener from being damaged. So it's really good in those tight axis areas. Once you're done, you can just put the ball hex right back into the foam storage tray. Makes it really convenient. You could carry this around in your tool bag or just put it in your toolbox. Check out the Gripedge RPT Ball Hex today, as it is now available.